Spirulina. It is a microalgae, an affordable nutrient powerhouse, and a fantastic way to enhance your dietary intake. It's a secret worth sharing for those looking to optimize their health without breaking the bank. However, Spirulina has a big hurdle. Yep, it's that smell and that challenging taste. But we've cracked the code on that, so get ready to enjoy all the health benefits without the bitter taste. It has a comprehensive nutrient content, can often replace multiple separate supplements. It's packed with high levels of protein, vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. It enhances muscle strength and boosts endurance. It has all the essential nutrients that bolster overall health. So you want to choose the highest quality of Spirulina. Always check for an organic certification and third-party testing to confirm its purity and nutrient content. That's really important. So here, Linus is going to be putting together the mix, and we're going to show you the secret way of mixing it to taste good. So you want a healthy scoop of the microalgae, the Spirulina. And it's up to you how much water. We usually put about 8 to 10 ounces in there. And then, as you can tell, it doesn't smell that good. So we are going to choose 3 different products to put in the drink. The first is called the Ultima Replenisher. It's an electrolyte powder and hydration drink mix that comes in several flavors. Here is the lemon flavor. It tastes better than other stevia sweetened drinks because it's formulated to balance its flavors and to mask the characteristics aftertaste of stevia. The type and quality of stevia extract used can significantly affect the flavor. So that's why the Ultima is so good. It's just a cleaner taste, less bitter. And now we're going to the True Lemon crystals. These are a dehydrated lemon juice and lemon oils. Now that also comes in several flavors in addition to the lemon, and tastes really great. And then we're going to also do the orange bitters here. That's a complex flavor profile that includes the zestiness of orange peel, spices, and a slight herbal touch. And this complexity can mask or neutralize the strong, somewhat earthy taste of Spirulina. Sometimes we just mix the True Lemon and the Ultima Replenisher, and sometimes we use the orange bitters. And then sometimes we don't use lemon, we use the strawberry flavor in the True Lemon and the Ultimate Replenisher, because it's just going to be up to you what's going to be your best taste. But these definitely help mask the strong taste of the Spirulina. You also want product that can actually mix really well with the Spirulina so that it's, you're having an even taste throughout the drink. And here he's shaking pretty well because that's important to do. Just be careful. It can get all over the place and stain. So just make sure you get it in the cup and don't spill it on anything. And if you do, just make sure you clean it quickly. And you will notice a totally different taste in the Spirulina, and palatable and good, actually. So please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.